Our goal today is to take these cars and as best we can reinforce them, beef them up, and prepare them to go down the highway. At the museum, we try to preserve representative electric trolley cars and electric interurban cars from every major city in Northern California. The particular cars that we have here at RT are the remains of streetcars that used to run in the city of Sacramento. All four of these car bodies represent about 40-year span of history from 1900 to 1940. We can still see the construction techniques that the original builders used. We can see the materials. We can see the remnants of the architecture, and we can see the history. So by simply preserving the object, even though it's ugly and worn out, we are doing the best we can to preserve the history of that object.